Hi, I am lucky enough to be on the Queen Mary 2, heading across the Atlantic Ocean. The wind is fierce at this time of year. We just got over having a storm, but in the restaurant they served a white bean chicken chili, and I think it was absolutely delicious. Welcome back to the Crack Mug. So let's get in the kitchen and make white bean chicken chili before I'm blown away.
To our saucepan, let's add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add 1 large onion that I have chopped, along with 1 large jalapeno, which has been deveined and deseeded. Stir to coat, medium heat, and saute these until the onion is soft and tender. That will take 5 or 6 minutes. Stirring occasionally. That has been 5 minutes and they're looking translucent and smelling lovely. I'm going to add 5 cloves of chopped garlic and some seasoning. So here I have 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of sweet paprika. You can also use chili powder if you'd like. A pinch of cayenne pepper or to taste, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a little bit of freshly cracked black pepper. And 1 little dash, that much, of nutmeg. Stir to combine. The smell is amazing. Stir this just for 1 minute. To that, let's add our 4 cups of chicken broth. That's low sodium. Turn the heat up again to medium-high. Also add 2 15-ounce cans of cannellini beans. These have been rinsed. And here we have 2 4-ounce cans of diced green chilies, not drained. The juice is in them. And let's add our chicken. Here I have about 3 cups of cooked chicken. I'm using rotisserie chicken. This is also a great way to use up any leftover turkey that you might have lying around. We're going to bring this to a simmer and simmer it for about 15 minutes until some of the liquid has reduced. Well, that has been 15 minutes and I can see the liquid has reduced while it was simmering away there, uncovered. So right now I am going to turn the heat off and then, just using the back of a wooden spoon, mash some of those beans against the side of your bowl, and that happens very easily. Continue doing that for just a couple of minutes until you see the actual chili get thicker, and it will very quickly. Again, off the heat. There, I like that thickness. I think that is enough. But it is fun squashing these beans. Okay, stop. Before I go too far. Okay, it smells wonderful. Next step, I'm going to add 1 cup of either frozen or fresh corn. Going to put the heat back on, medium. Stir this for about 3 minutes until that corn is cooked. That has been 3 minutes. And to that now we're going to add the juice of half a lime. Stir it well. And now oh, I smell that lime. And now we are going to check it for seasoning. And you see how it's thickened. All right, this needs about half a teaspoon of salt. I did use low sodium chicken stock in this. Some more pepper. And just a little bit more cayenne. Spice it up a little. All right, let's stir that in and we'll check it again. Oh yes, that made all the difference. Oh my goodness, it's so good. All right, let's get this in a bowl and we'll dress it. It smells amazing, and it's time to dress this up a little bit. Let's get ourselves some lovely white bean chicken chili. I'd eat that much. All right, first thing on, we're going to give it maybe a little squeeze more of lime, just to top it off. Just a little dab of sour cream for good measure. This is white cheddar. I'll be generous, it's the holidays. A little cilantro. Some of the lovely pickled jalapeno. And why not? Some tortillas, fresh, crushed. All right, let's eat this. It smells amazing. Gotta try it. That trip across the Atlantic was truly on my bucket list for a long time, and I'm so glad I did it, even in December. The food they served was incredible. I would do it again, or maybe go somewhere else, but I would still use the same cruise line. Oh my goodness. I have all the toppings on this, as you saw. You can choose to put on there what you like. The chicken and the beans go so well together. Gotta have some of that pickled jalapeno. The contrast is beautiful. And that little bit of heat. Oh God, it's so good. In the chili itself, it's not very hot at all. Barely spicy. So increase the heat early on with more cayenne pepper or some more chilies. Entirely up to you. But I will say adding on the pickled jalapeno at the end helps a lot to spice it up. The sour cream, the crunchiness of the tortilla. And the lime juice. I really should have a cerveza, maybe a Corona or a margarita. That would be lovely. A spicy margarita with this, heaven. Kathy, I'll have a quick word with you.
All this talk of margaritas and cerveza makes me want to go paint the town red. In the meantime, kindly like, comment and subscribe to the channel. It really would help this guy out.
Thank you for your support. I can't stop eating it. Half it's gone already. This is perfect, easy to make, under an hour. Leftover chicken, great use for it. And it's perfect at this time of year. Actually, I eat this any time of year. Oh. I want to thank you for all your support. It means the world to me. And I want to wish you a very happy, healthy and prosperous new year. Look after yourselves, look after each other, and until next time, mind yourself. Bye.